Oh.
Hold it! Thank you. Excuse me. Do you think I could borrow this bone for a minute? Oh, no. See, no, it's not for me. It's for a friend, because he's having a very rough Valentine's Day, and I think this just might help. So what do you say, guys? Woo! Okay, easy on the bird. Hey, thanks for the bone. You're doing a really nice thing here.
What do you need that bone for, Norval?
I don't. You do. See, I bet that golden pup would be very impressed if you picked up this great big bone.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
She'd see how strong you are.
But you can't ask her to be your Valentine with that big bone in your mouth.
Oh, you're right. I won't be able to talk to her.
There's no problem, Little Red. She'll be so impressed with your amazing strength that you won't need to talk. Oh, okay, all right, here she comes.
Is she looking?
Oh, no.
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Hey. Hello. I'm in here.
Clifford! Clifford! Cliff! Where are you? All right, and the good news is, she didn't see that either. I hope. I really do. That's the old red pepper there, Clifford. You gotta get back in the game. You know, it's like riding a bicycle. If you fall off that horse, you gotta get back on. Tally-ho!
So which is it? A game, a bicycle, or a horse?
I'm confused. I couldn't impress her with balancing on a ball or picking up a big bone.
I still don't understand why you have to impress her with all of these tricks. Why not just be yourself and say hello? I think that's pretty impressive.
I'm not really sure that's such a great idea.
Yeah, maybe we've just been thinking too big.
Maybe. See, there's nothing wrong with thinking small.
Right. I'm small.
Oh, yes, you are, Little Red. So let's think small. Even smaller.
Clifford! Time for your snack.
You too, Jorge.
Here's a whole handful of doggy doodles for my special Valentine.
And a great big tummy yummy for mine.
Oh, boy, oh, boy.
Look at our dog treats.
No, hold it there, Clifford. Why don't you just give the golden pup one of your dog treats?
Oh, you think that would impress her? Okay, but I won't just give her one. I'll give her all of them. Man, Joey really impressed and will really want to be my Valentine.
That a boy, Clifford.
Hey, there goes the Valentine Express.
It's no use. I'm never gonna impress her.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Clifford.
Hi, Clifford. I'm Sharif. I was just wondering if you'd be my Valentine and my new friend.
Oh, I do. I will. Yes.
Great. Hey, do you want to share this treat with me?
Sure. Thanks. wanted to ask you to be my Valentine, too.
Really? I had no idea. Every time I looked over at you, you were busy doing something.
I guess I was just trying to figure out the best way to meet you.
But all you had to do was say hi.
Happy Valentine's Day, Sharif.
Happy Valentine's Day, Clifford.